The most common reason your iPhone 17 won't connect to 5G is that the network connection gets stuck after switching locations, toggling data, or coming out of airplane mode. Other possible causes include incorrect 5G voice and data settings, restrictive data mode options, SIM or eSIM registration issues, outdated network configurations, or provisioning problems on your carrier's end. In this video, you'll learn 7 proven fixes to get 5G working again on your iPhone 17 running iOS 26. The first thing you need to do is toggle airplane mode. This forces your iPhone to disconnect and re-register with nearby cell towers. Open Settings, then find Airplane Mode. Turn it on, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back off and check if 5G appears. If that doesn't help, verify your 5G voice and data settings. Still on the settings screen, tap Cellular. Tap Cellular Data Options, then tap Voice and Data, and make sure 5G Auto or 5G On is selected instead of LTE. Next, check your data mode settings. Certain data saving options can limit 5G usage. From the Cellular Data Options screen again, tap Data Mode, then select Allow More Data on 5G so your phone can fully use the network when available. If 5G still won't connect, force restart your iPhone. This refreshes the cellular modem and clears temporary network conflicts. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side key until the Apple logo appears. Once the phone boots up, check your signal again. If the issue continues, check your SIM configuration. A loose physical SIM or inactive eSIM can block 5G access. Open Settings, then tap Cellular. If you're using a physical SIM, power off your phone and reseat the SIM tray. If you're using eSIM, toggle the cellular line off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If none of that works, reset your network settings. This clears outdated carrier configurations without deleting your personal data. From the Settings menu again, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, and confirm. Finally, if 5G still isn't connecting, contact your carrier for reprovisioning. Some issues require your carrier to refresh network access on your line. Reach out to their support team and ask them to reprovision or reset your 5G services. These 7 solutions should be enough to fix 5G connectivity issues on your iPhone 17. But if the problem continues, your carrier can confirm coverage availability or check for account-level restrictions. If this video helped you restore 5G on your iPhone 17, please give it a like or watch another video to learn more ways to keep your mobile data fast and reliable.